Yeah, guys, that is my senior colleague. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's again. Please, in case if you're just passing by and you click on this video, thank you so much for clicking. My name is Amarachi Ukoha, and you're highly welcome on my YouTube channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys. I love it when you guys show me love. I love it when you always support this ordinary girl. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you so much. So guys, this video is all about updates on my life lately. Yeah, guys, I just finished my youth service a few months ago, and everyone has been asking, what's next? Like, you're done with service, you're done with school, what's next? So after much thoughts and everything, I've come to realize that fashion is my thing, guys. Fashion designing has been my thing since childhood. Yes, I have a lot of knowledge when it comes to cutting, making of clothes, sewing, designing or crafting. So I decided to enroll on a fashion center or a fashion school. So that is where I am today. I've been coming here for the past how many weeks, and honestly I've got a lot of things to show you guys. So please sit back and watch how I'm going to make this dress today for you guys.
Okay guys, welcome back. Please do not forget again, hit on that subscribe button. So today we'll be making a bonbon cut dress. Yes, a bonbon A-line cut dress. So first of all, we normally work with our pattern. Yes, this piece of paper here, we call it pattern. You can use magazine to create your own pattern. You can use old newspaper to create your own pattern. Reasons where we have pattern is because you don't just go straight and start cutting the client's clothes. You might end up having a mistake, therefore damaging the client's clothes and making you to buy another material from them, because most of them, they won't like to hear such stories. Madam, your clothes is this, your clothes is that. So here in our fashion school, we normally have this pattern in a very large quantity. So whenever we want to do anything, we first of all cut the pattern, then we take the pattern to cut the remaining parts of the materials, just like as we are doing it right now. Now, is this black material you are seeing under that pattern is called doll face. Yes, it's also a material used in making dress, skirts, gowns, and so many things. So the name is doll face. That is what we call it here. So this doll face helps in making the clothes look more heavier or more classy. In my own eye, I'm going to give it that word, classy. So we use it to take it out. And please, when making a client dress, I'm going to say this, always work with your measurement book. Like, work with the client correct measurement. Like, before now I've worked with people and they will just be doing some certain things like offhand without looking at the book, and this has a lot of consequences, because at the end of the day you might end up having a bigger dress for the client, or the one that will not even fit in on your client. So it's best for you to work with the book. So after cutting out first the pattern, we go ahead and cut the doll face. Then we also use the pattern to cut on the main material. Guys, this material is so lovely. So as you can see, it has like is it 2 or 3 colors? There is green, there is gold, and there is black. So we cut out the front, we cut out the back, then went ahead to do what we call pin down. Yes, this pin down, in my own terms, I'm going to explain it. Pin down is just like helping the clothes to have a perfect or a neat edges, like to avoid rough edges. Yes, because sometimes for the fact that the clothes is a little bit like, you can see the type of material, if you do not pin it down, when you put it on the machine and you're sewing, like some of them, like the lining might be missing some steps, and after all that effort you find out that the clothes will not be in a very good shape, like you'll be having some rough edges. So that is why I'll advise, after cutting out your styles or pattern, you use your pin to hold them at the edges, like by the edges. Use your pin to hold them firmly before you start sewing. So this is the main lining, like the inner lining that will be on the material, on the dress. That is the inner lining. And when you're cutting your dress, be it skirts or dam, Make sure to provide a space for your zip while you are cutting it. It's very, very necessary. If you don't make that zip allowance at the initial point, you will have it very, very difficult creating it later. So after pinning down, you run machine you run your thread by the side, then we take it to the ironing side, yes, the ironing table, to iron it to give it that perfect look that the clothes need. So this is the clothes, this is the dress here. We are ironing it. Then we went ahead to cut the front side. Yes, very, very important. Cut the front. The first one you saw was like the back side. That is why you saw it giving you that A-line shape, because the clothes you're making is a pom-pom cut A-line shape. And one thing I love about my fashion school center is, if you are here, you have to learn. Like, everyone will learn. There is no secret. The owner of the place, that's my madam, she's not going to hide anything from you. She's going to give you like A to Z what you ought to know from the beginning to end. So when you leave this place, you can be your own boss, like you can be your own fashion designer, and a lot of clients will be coming to you. So after pinning the clothes, like the front side, you still go ahead and do the same thing. Run your thread by the edges, iron it after sewing, then you combine the two. As you can see here, all this squatting, kneeling, rolling on the floor is just to give a client what she wants. Because believe me, it's very, very difficult dealing with people. Sometimes if you don't give them what they are expecting of you, you end up having a problem with them. So all this sacrifice you're seeing here is just to get exactly what she wants. And the woman in question, she later came by, like she came to pick this clothes the same day we made the clothes, because she said she was going to somewhere with the clothes. So I myself could not even have a clear picture of her putting on the dress. So this is the combining of the front and the back. That is the back side, the hip side, and the front side together. And after this, one thing about my mother is, each process, once you finish, once you go to the table, you iron them. And I've come to realize that this tips, or this her strategy, helps her in getting a very clear, perfect, and neat dress at the end of the day. I know it's taxing, I know it can be stressful, but believe me, it's better for you to do it once and get what you want, than for you to do it multiple times without getting your desire. So after joining the two clothes together, like the front and back together, we run to the iron, dress it up. Guys, this cloth is amazing. Like, the material itself is so fine. It's giving that rich anti vibe that I love so much. I love the material, although somehow if you look at it, it looks like more of a sequence, which kind of give it a little stress in terms of needle, because sometimes it will just, knock out your needle and it will break. But I'm happy at the end of the day we give the client what she wants. So guys, please, if at this point you have not clicked that subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what you're waiting for, because for me, if you have not clicked that subscribe button, it feels like you're from my village, like you're among those who doesn't want me to go far. But I know you're not that type. So please, I'm begging you, click on that subscribe button right away. Make sure that you turn on your bell, so when next I post a video like this, you will definitely be the first person to see it. So while we are still at work, the client came. Like, she came and she was like, she's in a haste, and she forgot to call earlier. She'll be going to a dinner or something like that we did with this dress. So all we have to do is just to rush and rush and rush until we finally made her dress through. Like, the dress came out looking so beautiful and elegant. So she promised to send a picture to me, which she did. So this is the picture she sent. Like, the lady herself is looking so beautiful. Guys, you can see there is a beaded work by the side. This is just like another clips of what we have done so far, so I decided to show you guys. This is a full A-line bonbon cut, and this is my colleague at the end of the world trying to have some fun, like all work no play make Jack a dull boy. So please do not forget, click that subscribe button, turn on your bell, and after watching, don't forget, I'm begging you, don't forget to drop a lovely comment for your baby girl. Your baby girl will really appreciate this. So with this, I think I've come to the end of this video. If you have anything to tell me, please do that in the comment section. Let's interact more. The discussion is not over yet. Any question, anything you want to see, please feel free to see that in the comment section. For now, all I will be saying that I will see you in my next video. Do not forget, it's your favorite baby girl, Mara, in the building, the only one that has vibe upon vibe. Okay guys, see you next time. For now, all I'm saying is bye. Have a lovely day. See you guys next time. Bye bye.